go and dump it out.
That truck's up over there.
Okay, mga ka-farmers, pauwi na po ako. At ganda ng color, oh. Yan. So alas 3 na po at ako'y gutom na. So ito po ang paliparan ng ng eroplano, itong space na to in between yung may-ari. Ay, nirerentahan lang ba nila to? Akala ko sa kanila to, nirerentahan lang yata. So okay guys, bye for now. Marami pa silang aanihin. So ito po ang pinakamalapit, nandun yung russet apple ko. At uwi na po ako at ako'y gutom na. Bye!
Ladder right in front.
It's okay. Hello guys, good afternoon. Ako'y sumusunod sa combine. Husband ko po ang nagda-drive, mga ka-farmers. Mga ka-farmers. Yan. May salubong siguro. Nakalimutan niya. Tatlong beses kong tinawagan. Sabi niya tatawagan niya ako. Eh natapos niya na yung field. Malapit din sa amin. Mga 2 miles lang. Sa Peters Road. Kalimutan. Maliit lang po yun na cornfield. Kalimutan niya. So ngayon dito naman po sa may Henderson, yun ang adjust natin. Yan. Ang gusto ko pong gawin kukunan ko ng video yung isang cornfield. Kunan ko yung tapos na kasi siya dun sa Rose City, sa property ng mother niya. So, and then after that, 2 days niya yatang winork yun kasi malaking field po yun. Tapos dito, sabi ko yung mga malalapit lang yung pupuntahan ko. So, dudugtong-dugtong ko, iba't ibang field. Ay, nakalimutan. So, ito pa ang isa sa pinakamalapit. So ito, tapos M55. Saan pa ba meron dito? Na malapit. M55. And then, meron pa doon din sa M55. Liliko ako sa may, ano bang road yun? Yun, ano yata yun? 100 acres. Okay, I just wiped the windshield for the second time because it's blowing dust on my windshield. Liliko na po tayo dito sa kanan. I forgot the road. I've been here for a long time, and then I keep on forgetting the name of the road here, especially this one. It's just not too far from our house. Basahin natin kung mababasa natin. So, Maple Ridge Drive, Miller Road. Okay. Ewan ko bakit ba dalawa ang pangalan. Okay guys, ito ko na po dito kasi yung road is dirt road or gravel road. Hello guys! We are here inside the combine at kasi simula lang po. Ayan.
Mrs. Moore's.
Ha?
Moore. That's the name of the owner, Moore.
More? The owner of what?
Of this land.
Oh, okay. I thought it is your mom's field.
Not until you get up the road.
Oh, okay. So, nirerentahan lang po nila ito. More. Okay.
Dick Moore. Richard Moore.
Yeah, we'll write it down later. And guys, bagong wash, minugasan po yung ano, kasi ang dumi-dumi. So, ayos-ayos po ng property na yan, ng linis. Masino.
This is what deer do.
Yeah. Look at guys what the deer did here. Yeah, kinain nila yung top. Oh, this is the one that's dirty. Yep, I remember that one. It's deep there. Meron po siyang ano, ditch. May kanal. Ganda po yan. So, kala ko po ang biyanan ko may-ari nito, yung pala ito. Sa kabila po yun yung sa kanila. Sa unahan lang po. See the sunshine kind of like glare. There's glare over here. Yan. So you will do this first before you cross there?
Oh, I can cross there next time.
Oh, okay. Yeah. It's kind of like...
wow, the deer really massacred that corner.
Oh, yeah. Tingnan nyo po, minasakar yung corner ng cornfield, oh. Tingnan nyo. Kalahati ang natira. Ito, tingnan nyo po, oh. Putol. Does it still have some corn cobs count?
Not really.
Not really, yeah. There are a few. Ito po yung hilly na area. This is a hilly field. Oh yeah, you think it's not, yeah, see? It's really deep there.
This is where they put new poles in to raise the wires.
And guys, balik kami dito sa corner. Yeah, so you know when you hear, you think it is like straight, but it's deep there in the middle. You think it is flat when you look here, see? But in the middle, there's a big ditch. Po, malinis po yung paligid ng bahay na yan. Taas po niya, no? Dito mataas. So, yan po yung pinapalitan yung head. Iba po yung sa soybean, iba din po yung sa corn. Ayan na po, oh. Malabo po siya. Ayan, puno na. Mapupuno na. Ayan ang corn. Hello sa ano, sa ditch.
Grand Canyon.
Grand Canyon. Yeah, that glare of the sunshine. Yan. Dito daw muna siya. So you're gonna do the back first before that one.
Well, we're just gonna take the outside rounds off.
Oh, okay. So ang ginagawa po, paikot muna. Paikot muna po sa mga sides. What is the purpose? So that you can see it?
Just get them opened up, ready to.
Oh, okay.
So we get going back and forth, it'll go quicker.
Okay.